Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add hatch patterns in AutoCAD. Alright, let's begin. First, find a hatch pattern you like online and download it. Extract the file if it's in zip format and note its location. Open AutoCAD and type OP to open the options menu. Go to the Files tab and expand the support file search path. Locate the path ending with support, then open that folder on your computer. Paste the downloaded PAT file into this folder. Close the options window. Now type hatch in the command line and press enter. In the Hatch Creation tab, click the arrow next to Options to open Settings. Under Type, select Custom. Then click the swatch to find your custom pattern. Select it and apply it to your drawing. Your project will now display the new hatch design. So that's basically how you can add hatch patterns in AutoCAD. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.